Hello friends. In this video, I will share the technical analysis of PEPE coin, AAVE coin, APT coin, MNT coin, and TAO coin. Before starting their technical analysis, it is a reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. So let's begin the technical analysis. I have opened the chart of PEPE against the USDC on 1 day time frame. So if we look at this coin, currently it is moving in its downtrend. It has recently submitted a new breakdown, and when it gave closing below 0.00000793 in this candle. After that, it has exposed three targets on downside, whereas the first target is 0.00000698. His second target on downside is 0.00000603, and his final target on downside is 0.00000510. So these are three targets in this coin in on downside. So currently price is moving very close to its breakdown level. So if you guys want to go for short selling, so you have a best opportunity for short selling in this coin. And if you guys have bought this coin at higher rates and you want to exit from this coin, so the prices are very close to its breakdown levels. So you guys can go for exit in this coin around this breakdown level. So after that, it might not give you a chance to exit from it, and its prices can fall to its final target, and you can expect a fall of almost 35% in this coin in upcoming days. So we can expect 35% decrease in its prices in upcoming days. So if you have already bought this coin, so you need to make sure that you put some kind of a stop loss in this coin, so you don't face such kind of losses in this coin. And if you want to go for short selling, then definitely you can go for short selling, as it has submitted a new breakdown, and you can go for three targets, those I have mentioned recently. So as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get initial confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will give closing above 0.00001074. Before that level, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin, as this coin is moving in its downtrend. So if you guys have bought this coin at high rate, so the prices are very close to its breakdown level. Either you can go for selling or exit in this coin in this at this breakdown level, and if the prices move on upside, so you can go for exit or selling in this coin in the range of 0.00000793 and 0.00001074. This is the range where you can go for exit in this coin. So after that, its prices will I'm sure it will definitely go on down. Its prices will definitely go on downside, where I have mentioned three targets, and where the final target is around 0.00000510. So this will be the final target in upcoming days in this coin. The next coin is the AAVE. So if we look at AAVE, it is moving in a downtrend. It gave the breakdown of this arc formation when it gave closing below 256 in this candle. After that, it exposed the final target of 199.74, and that final target has already been achieved in these candles. Currently price is moving at 194. So as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so we need to follow two strategies in this coin. So first strategy is a sell on strength, and that strength level is at 256. So if you guys have bought this coin at higher rates and you want to get exit from this coin, so that exit point is also 256. So the next strategy that we can follow in this coin is a sell on a new breakdown, and it will submit a new breakdown when it will give closing below 192. Currently prices are very close to 192, so you can keep it in your watch list. If it will submit a new breakdown and give closing below 192, its prices will fall on downside, where its first target on downside will be at 175. Second target is second target will be 153, and final target on downside will be 120. salmon. So these will be the targets on downside when it will submit a new breakdown, when it will give closing below 192. So until that time, these levels are not valid yet, but if it give closing below 192, then definitely its prices will fall on low side on these three levels. So as this coin is moving in its a downtrend, so I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. This coin will we will get initial confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will give closing above 256. Before this level, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin. The next coin is the APT coin. So if we look at APT against the USDC on the 1 day time frame, it is moving in it's a downtrend. It gave trend reversal formation of this double top formation when it gave closing below 10.21 in this candle. After that, it exposed the final target of a 6.26, and that final target has already been achieved in these candles. Currently, price is moving at 6.22. So as this kind is moving in it's a downtrend, so we need to follow two strategies in this kind. First strategy is sell on strength, and that strength level is 7. If you guys have bought this kind at higher rates and you want to get exit from this kind, so that exit point is also 7. So the next strategy that we can follow in this coin is a sell on new breakdown. This coin will submit a new breakdown when it will give closing below 4.30. So currently prices are moving above this level, and it has not submitted a new breakdown yet. So I cannot predict exact levels on downside, but whenever it will submit a new breakdown, so I will definitely share those levels on downside in on this YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel so you don't miss those upcoming levels in these coins. So as this coin is moving in its a downtrend, so I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. This we will get initial confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will give closing above 7. Before that, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin. The next coin is MNT. So if we look at MNT against the USDC on the 1 day time frame, it is in its downtrend. It also made a double top formation, that is trend reversal formation, and it gave breakdown of this double top formation in this candle when it gave closing below 0.9849. And after that, it exposed three targets on downside, where its first target was 0.8374, that has already been achieved in this candle, and its final target is 0.6161. So the final target is not achieved yet, but we can expect that the prices will fall in upcoming days and they will achieve this final target. And the final target on downside is 0.6161. So if you guys have bought this kind at higher rates, so this kind might give you a chance to exit from it before going to its final target, and that exit point will be around 0.9849. So if the prices move on upside, so you should definitely go for selling into this coin, and you can also open your short selling position in this coin as well if you see the prices are moving around 0.9849. And after that, the prices will definitely fall on downside, and they will try to achieve its final target on downside, that is 0.6161. And the other scenario is that the prices simply just continue to falling on downside, and they might not go on upside, and they might not give you a chance to exit from it, and they simply achieve their final target, that is 0.6161. So as this coin is moving in its a downtrend, so I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin in this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get initial confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will give closing above 0.9849. Before this, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin. The next coin is the TAO coin. So this coin is moving in its downtrend as well. So it gave the breakdown of this channel formation in this candle when it gave closing below 460, and it exposed the final target of 351, and that final target has already been achieved in these candles. Currently price is moving at 341. So as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so we have to follow two strategies in this kind. First strategy is a sell on strength, and that strength level is uh, 407. And if you guys have bought this coin at high rates and you are stuck into this coin, so this coin might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is also 407. So after and the next strategy that we can follow in this coin is a sell on a new breakdown. It will submit a new breakdown when it will give closing below 240. So as this kind of is still moving above this level, so we cannot predict its level on downside. So but whenever it will submit a new breakdown and expose a new targets on downside, I will definitely share those levels on this YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. So I have discussed these kinds on a 1 day time frame. If you want to get their alerts on smaller time frame like 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, or 30 minutes time frame, for such kind of alerts, you can join my free Telegram and Facebook groups. Their links are given in the video description. And if you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel so you don't miss any informative content like this in upcoming days. So that's all for now. See you in next video.